Hey guys, so this is the Ulefone Note 17 Pro. The device was unveiled at the IFA event that took place in Berlin, and I believe this device is meant to rival the Blackview A200 Pro. So this is the display of the phone. As you can see, the phone has a curved hole punch display, and some of the specs of the phone are shown on the display. And according to the specs, this device is going to have a 6.78-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's also going to have an under-display fingerprint scanner, a 32MP front camera, a 108MP primary sensor, up to 24GB RAM. I believe the RAM might be 12GB, and you can actually virtually expand it by an additional 12GB. The internal storage is 256GB. This image here shows the rear of the device. As you can see, the phone has a beautiful camera module. The module resembles that of the Blackview A200 Pro, and the back of the phone is very shiny. As you can see, beautiful device, guys. I do not know when this phone will be released, but it's going to be coming very soon. Now, other features of the phone includes a 50 mAh battery. I believe the phone would support fast charging, but it's not mentioned yet. The device would also support NFC, face unlock, and so on. The device would not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So these are the few details of the upcoming Ulefone Note 17 Pro. Like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be competing with the Blackview A200 Pro. And just like the A200 Pro, I believe this device will be very affordable once it is released. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about this new phone from Ulefone, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.